Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2011 Subaru Liberty, stock number 6919. It's run from the 7th 2009 to 11th 2014. It's an EJ25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed automatic transmission. This is the EJ25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight, left front guard, no dents. Left front 7/10 factory automatic tyre, front bonnet, left front door mirror, left front door, left rear door, left rear 7/10 factory automatic tyre, left hand tail light, right hand tail light, right rear 7/10 factory automatic tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door 1 dent, right hand door mirror, right front guard 1 dent, right front headlight, right front 7/10 factory automatic tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic air shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,